In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge grid cells in Miro. If you've ever wanted a wider header, a section label, or a single cell that spans multiple columns or rows inside a Miro grid, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it from a blank board. First, open your browser and go to Miro.com. From your dashboard, you'll see the option to create something new. Click Create New to start a fresh canvas. When the menu opens, choose Board. That will launch an empty board where we can add a grid and get it ready for merging. With the board open, look for the plus icon that opens the object and template library. Click that to reveal the search panel. In the search box, type the word grid. You'll see Miro's grid or table option appear. Select it to insert a grid onto your board. Before placing it, or immediately after it appears, set the basic structure. Choose how many columns and rows you need so the layout matches your content. You can adjust these counts using the grid controls, and you can always tweak them later. So don't worry about being perfect on the first try. Position the grid where you want it on the board, and make sure it's large enough to see the cell boundaries clearly. Now, get ready to merge. Click and drag across the cells you want to combine so they're highlighted together. The key is to select adjacent cells that form a rectangle. Merging only works on a continuous block. You'll notice a formatting toolbar appears when the selection is active. In that toolbar, click Merge Cells. Instantly, those individual cells become one larger cell. This is great for creating a title area that spans multiple columns, grouping related items, or giving yourself extra space for a longer note. If the result isn't what you expected, simply adjust your selection and repeat the merge on the correct cells. You can also tweak the number of rows and columns at any point, and the merged area will adapt. Keep an eye on text alignment and spacing so your layout stays readable, and make sure you're only selecting the cells you actually want combined. That's it. You went from the Miro dashboard, created a new board, inserted a grid, selected the exact cells you needed, and merged them into a single, clean cell. With a few tries, you'll build polished tables in Miro.